How's everybody? So, Ewart, you can go on and Ewart. 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 Yeah.
Teacher.
Yes, please. Ewart.
Okay, teacher. Father, thank you for the gift of life and the gift of protection. And we thank you for protecting us, guiding us, leading us. Please let the teacher to teach us well. And please protect us, guide us, lead us. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Amen. Thank you, Ewart. Let me hope I'm loud and clear, and even Mike can hear you today. You are okay. You've been disturbed by the audio in the previous lessons, but I'm glad that you are really fine. In our today's lesson, it is a continuation of where we stopped in the last lesson. Therefore, I would like to welcome you once again, and also request members that in today's lesson we shall have members who are only able to share the screen, because in our lesson we shall require sharing the screen. Okay, and our admin Alice Christine is saying, I can't hear you talking. I'm talking and people are hearing me talking. Okay, Alice, log in and out again. Alice, log in, log out, and log in again. You'll be able to hear me and select the microphone. Okay. So as I was telling you, we are not very many in class. That's the first thing. Okay. Alice, I see your hand is up. Alice, talk to me. Alice, can you hear me now?
Yes.
You wrote in the chat that you can't hear me properly.
Yes, teacher.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. Abe, how are you? Abe, how are you? Abe, and others. Now, our admin, Mr. To, will give the co-host rights. If I pick you to share your screen, they will give you the co-host rights and you'll be able to share your whiteboard. If you don't know how to share the whiteboard, because I want you also to learn, in the next session, maybe the one to share that screen. So also feel free to type in the chat and say, hi teacher, I don't know how to share the screen and I would like to learn. I will reserve a minute or two and I teach you, because since the program is not ending today or tomorrow, meaning that you have to also participate in our lesson. Otherwise, I welcome you to our online classes organized by Cradle Care, Nasalan Primary School. The class I'm teaching is primary 3, and the subject is mathematics. Some call it math, others call it numeracy, others call it numbers, but it is all about. Roshan, thank you. How are you? Are you good? Yeah, nice to see you here. Nice meeting you here. In our today's lesson, we are going to go straight to our lesson, and it is lesson number 3. Okay, it's our lesson number 3. We are introducing something new to us, because we don't talk about this in P2, and by P3 it is something new. By the way to tell you I'm handling term 3 work. You see, we are studying term 3 work, and anytime we are going to P4. You see, okay. Now, this perimeter, the word perimeter, but perimeter, it means, okay. If I have my figure somewhere, and the figure that I have, maybe the figure that I have, okay, let me first do this. Maybe the figure that I have, is either a rectangle or a triangle or what. When you move the distance around it, what you have gotten is what we call what? Is what we call the perimeter. So if someone asks you, today you have said about perimeter, what did the teacher tell you about what is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around a certain figure, or a distance around any defined figure. Okay, if it's a rectangle, the distance around that rectangle is what we call what? A perimeter. If it is a square, the distance around that square is what we call what? A perimeter. Let's do this once again, my learners, and we see what we can do next. In the previous lesson, we learned about a few figures, and one of the figures that we learned, or that we looked at, were not very many, apart from a few of them. So before we go on with our today's lesson, I wanted us to first have a look at those figures that we looked at previously, and we see how best we can deal with them. Okay, let's move on. And we'll see what is next. Okay, if I can share my screen, I want us to move together. Let me hope everybody is seeing the screen. Suppose I have my figure here. What name is given to this figure that I've put there? Who can tell me the name of that figure? Let's first make a quick review of the figures that we looked at in the previous lesson. Then we shall go on and look at the distance around that figure, because when we don't know it and we know the figure, and I saw already 6 people raising up the hand. Then begin with Alice Christine first. Okay, Alice?
Yes.
What is the figure there?
Rectangle.
A rectangle. And we say that a rectangle, the two opposite sides are equal. This side is equal to this one. So if this one is 6, even here is also 6. If here it is 4, even here it is also 4. Two opposite sides. Okay, and we say it has 2 long sides and 2 short ones. Okay, which are opposite, 2 opposite long, 2 opposite short sides. Okay, in simple definition of that. Let me see, let me start another one. And I request someone to name to me what figure is that one that you are seeing there. What name is given to that figure? Raise up your hand and tell me. Okay, let me give a chance to Mary Lina. Lina. Unmute yourself and tell me what figure is that one on your screen. Lina? Oh, seems Lina is unable to unmute you. Let me give a chance to Sybil. Sybil. Hello. Hello, Sybil. Is there anything?
Yes, teacher.
How are you?
Fine.
Fine. How do you pronounce your name? What's your name?
Sibyl.
Sibel. Okay. What figure is there in your screen?
A triangle.
Can you spell the word triangle?
Triangle.
So
Right.
what do you know about, what do you know about a triangle? How do you know it's a triangle? Sibel.
Because it has 3 sides.
Oh, it has 3 sides. Good boy. Good boy, Sibel. Good boy, Sibel. Then there is another one. There is another diagram I drew here, and oh, it brought trouble. It brought trouble. Let me see if you still remember that figure that I did here. I have that figure around here. Okay, since I have that figure, let me draw it here. My figure is here. I said what name is given to that figure there that all of you are looking at. Okay, the figure is there, and I told you all the sides are equal. Okay, all the sides are equal. What name is given to that figure there? Who can tell me the answer? I see many people. Let me give a chance to Wondo Alafa Joshua. Wondo. Wonder.
Yes, teacher.
What's that figure there?
A square.
Surely, is it a square? No. Thanks for trying, but it's not a square. Let me pick from the chart. A triangle has 3 sides. That's from Ewart. Thank you, Ewart. Let me hear from Abe. Abe, are you the one, Abe Audrey Namatovu, or I'm talking to another person? Abe.
Yes, teacher.
What's your name? Are you the one, Namatovu?
Yes.
Okay. Namatovu Abe Audrey, is it?
Yes, teacher.
Tell me the figure you are seeing on your screen. What is its name?
A square.
Square. Another one is saying, teacher, that is a square. See? Let me pick someone else here. It's called Roshan. Yes, Roshan.
Teacher.
Yes.
Teacher.
Yes.
It is a rhombus. It is a rhombus.
It's a rhombus. Thank you. Papa for you. Roshan knows that it's a rhombus. Okay, and we said we can spell the word rhombus using the following. Let me see if I can get my text here and just insert and write the word rhombus together. Okay, we spell the word rhombus as R-O-M-B-U-S, rhombus. Okay, let me make it big for all of us to see. Yeah, okay, it's there. That's the word rhombus. Okay, have you seen? It's a rhombus. Can make it even capital. It's a rhombus. Okay, a rhombus is like in form of a square, but its sides are slanting. Right? They're not upright. They're a little bit slanting. Okay, I had another figure here. If you have known that this one is a rhombus, let me put another figure here. There was another figure that gave almost everybody. There was a figure here that almost made everybody cry here. The figure was so simple. The figure was so simple. Let me see if I can have that figure here with me once again. Oh, no. Okay, let me see if I can form that figure for myself here. Okay, there was another figure. It was here, and that figure is here. That figure has 5 sides. What name is given to a 5-sided figure? A figure with 4 sides. What is its name? Okay, I see very people already putting up their hands, which means they know the answer. Ishara. Ishara,
Yes, teacher.
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good also. Tell me, what name is given to that figure?
Pentagon.
It's a pentagon. Can you spell the word pentagon?
P
P
E
E
N
N
T
T
A
I
G
E
E
E
O
I add O.
G O
Okay, E R.
N.
And the word is,
Pentagon.
and if someone asks you what's a pentagon, what do you say?
Pentagon has 5 sides.
It is a figure with 4 sides. Okay, thank you very much, Ishara. So Ishara knows that a pentagon has 5 sides. Thank you, my little one. I had another figure here, which I want us also to look at. It gave us a lot of time. People could spell. We spelled from everywhere to end. I want to know, do we still know that figure, or we don't know? If it's not there, then I have to do this one here. Okay, there was a figure. The figure had one side like this. Let me make it big so we can see it well. Let me make it a little bit big, and let me change that color to the one that is visible. Okay, it had that. Then it also had another line here. Okay, that figure had 4 sides. Let me try to build it here. Let me try to build that figure here with this. Okay, then it had another one here. Okay, whereby that one, it had another side here, but this side is a little bit shorter than the other one. Then lastly, it had another line here. So it is a 4-sided figure, but it looks like that. Okay, so what name is given to that figure? Okay, have you seen it? Okay, let me make it a little bit, okay, a little bit bigger, and that. Okay, Ewat is saying it's a pentagon. Thank you, Ewat. Pentagon, Ayla, how are you? So I need someone to tell me what name is given to that figure. I've picked that one, I've picked that one. I have to pick this one now. I've picked Ishara, Roshan, Ewat, Wondo also have been given a chance. I know the person I haven't picked is Martha. How are you, Martha?
Fine. I'm fine, teacher.
Okay, what name is given to that figure?
It's a trapentagon.
A trapentagon.
Yes.
Oh, that name sounds so sweet to me, but it's not right. It's a what?
Trapentagon.
A trapentagon. Oh my
Yes.
God. Thank you, Martha. Let's see who knows the right answer. Martha is saying it's a trapentagon. That's so new to me. A trapentagon. Let me hear from Juanita. Juanita.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, talk to me, Joanne.
That shape is called trapezium.
It's called a trapezium. Can you spell the word trapezium?
Trapezium. T
Okay, T
R
R
A
A,
P
P,
E
E,
Z
wait,
I
I,
U
U,
M. Trapezium.
okay, it's called a trapezium. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Papa, for you. Let me look for Martha. Where is Martha? Martha, where are you? Martha, where are you? You have to spell this word 2 times because it's giving you hard time. Martha,
Yes, teacher.
how are you, Martha?
I'm fine, teacher.
Are you fine, really?
Yes.
Okay, so if you are saying that you are fine, then you have to spell for me this word 3 times. Are you there?
Yes.
Okay, let's go on and we spell it, but first hold on because I want you to spell it. Okay, let me do this. Okay, I won't spell it as it is being written there. Can you go? 1, 2, 3, you start.
Trapezium.
You spell and read it.
Trapezium. Trapezium.
No, it's not trumpet. There is no trumpet. It is a trapet. Trapet. There is no M or N that makes it be trumpet. No. Okay, spell it again. Let's go together. Spell.
Trapezium. Trapezium.
Good, good, good. Spell it again.
Trapezium. Trapezium.
Okay, spell it now. Spell.
Trapezium. Trapezium.
Good. Okay, let me hope you have now known that one, isn't it? Okay, now, my dear little ones, in today's lesson, I want to introduce something new, and that something new is not new to us, but new. Okay, in today's lesson, okay, let me first have everybody lowering the hand so that I can know that, okay, we are all listening. Let's listen to the teacher's explanation. Then I will give a chance to work out the second, the third, and the fourth examples. Okay, I know you are good learners, so stop raising up the hands now. Maybe if you have something to tell me, I will pick you and you tell me. But it's not there, let us not raise up our hands. Good. Kay, if you have something to tell me, let me first hear from Kay. Yes,
I have a network problem.
You have a network problem.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. But you can hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, so be there. Be where the network is. You can move around, look for a tree nearby and climb up and you study from there. It's just a joke. Don't climb.
Okay.
It. Yeah, it's a joke. Don't just climb up. You'll fall down. Let's move on. Let's move on, members, and we see what we are. Sibyl, you have something to tell me?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
I am
please.
not a boy.
You are a girl, not a boy.
Yes.
What's your
Yes.
second name? What's your second name?
Senkezi. Sorry. Sorry.
Sorry.
Yes.
You are sorry, Sybil. Have to keep it. Let me put it in this small head of mine.
Sybil.
You teacher, you have to know that Sybil is not a boy, is a girl.
Teacher, my name is pronounced Sybil. Sybil.
I've got it. I'll put it in the head. It's there. Sybil, Sibil, and is a girl, not a boy. Isn't it? Oh, it seems you have a network issue. But thanks for correction, my Sybil. Okay. Okay. Stacia is saying, teacher, we didn't receive the work of yesterday. Sure. Which work, Stacia? Let me hear from Stacia. Okay. The work of yesterday. I don't know which work. Okay. If it's a recording, my admin is still on. We'll answer that fully. But I'll hear from you, Stacia. So class, let's go. Now, I've already told you that you're going to find the perimeter. And I've said the word perimeter, it means the distance around a certain figure. Now, suppose I have a figure, maybe a rectangle, maybe a trapezium, maybe a pentagon, maybe a hexagon. You know, we have a hexagon, the six-sided figure is called a hexagon. We shall look at that in the next lesson, possibly tomorrow if we do meet. Now, when you look at this one, we are looking for the perimeter of the figure. If someone asks you, what have you studied today? Teacher taught us about the perimeter of the figure. Oh, the perimeter of the figure. Yes. Then we have to know, okay, if it's a perimeter of the figure, then someone asks, what's perimeter? Then you have to answer that it is the distance around a figure. Okay? The distance around a figure is what we call a perimeter. Okay? Someone saying, teacher, the activity for the last shapes. I think I posted that on Google Classroom. You can check on that. Okay, today I will make sure I will give you at least by the end of the lesson, I will give you 5 minutes. If you have something to ask me, if you have something which is still bothering you, maybe timetable, maybe work, maybe what, you ask it. Let's concentrate and study in this lesson. I'll give a chance and I'll pick everybody who will be putting up the hand in only 5 minutes. Let me put that one in mind. Now let's go on. When you look at the perimeter of the figure, today we are going to look at a rectangle. Today we are going to look at what? A rectangle. When you look at that rectangle I've drawn there, the rectangle has gotten different sides. This long side, as you hear it's long, it's called length. Okay. That long side is called length. And this side, short side here, this one and this one, the two sides are equal, and this one is called width. We call it width. That is its name. Okay. Now, when we are looking for the perimeter, we have to consider over the properties of a rectangle as we looked at them. The first one, it has two opposite long sides. This one is long and this one is long. So these two long sides, they are called the length. Okay. If this one is 7 meters, okay, even this one will be 70 meters. They're saying that. If this one is 2 meters, even this one, the next one also will be 2 meters. Now, most of the times we don't write the word length. We make it in short and write letter L. And L stands for length. And here we use W or W to mean what? Width. So all of us in this class, we must know that a rectangle has 4 sides, and the name given those sides, one is length, another one is what? Width. Width is the short side, and length is the long side, as you hear from the word long. Okay, that's where we get the word length from. Okay. Now, members, let's look here. Let's look here and we see how best we can go through this. Having looked at a rectangle and we say that a rectangle has 4 sides, then it means that the 2 sides, one is length, another one is width, another one is length, another one is width. Okay. And we have said that perimeter is the distance around the what? A certain figure. Now, I have my first figure. My first figure is there, and it's a rectangle. Now, this rectangle has got the length, which is also equal to the length above. I've said if here is 5, even here is also 5. We have got this side is the width. If the width is 2, even this side will also be what? 2. Because we say a rectangle has 4 sides and 2 opposite sides are equal. It has 2 opposite long sides and 2 opposite wide or short sides. Okay, now I've drawn my rectangle. I'm going to come and write something here. What's the length? The length is 6 centimeters. How about the width? The width is 4 centimeters. Now, we have to look for the perimeter of this figure. I've said that perimeter is the distance around the figure. We're going to move here, 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 here. But what do we think? If here is 6 centimeters, what is here? What is here? Therefore, if here is 6 centimeters, even here is 6 centimeters because the 2 opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. If here it is 4 centimeters, even here is also 4 centimeters. Why? The 2 opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Then we move on. We have said this long side of a rectangle is called length, and this one is called width. Together. So I'm going to get a method we are going to use when we are looking for the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, it says we shall make this perimeter, you write its first letter P. So length plus width plus length plus width. Am I okay? Why? Because the rectangle has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, and 4. What are those sides? One is long, it is here. One is wide, it is here. Width. One is long, it is here. And another one is here. It has got 2 long sides, L, L. It has got 2 wide sides, W, W. So therefore, the formula or the method of finding the perimeter of a rectangle is length plus width plus length plus width. There is another one, but let's move with this one. Okay. Now, what is next? Where there is length, we are going to put the length, which is 6. Where is width? We are going to put the width, which is 4. Where there is length, I'm going to put the length, which is 6. Where there is width, I'm going to put the width, which is 4, and I add them together. So therefore, our perimeter equals to 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4. Now together, I've put these units at the last centimeter, centimeter. I'll put them here. Even you can write them here, 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, like that. What is the next step? In my next step, I'm going to add these two. What is 6 plus 4? Okay. 6 plus 4 equals to 10. Then another 6 plus 4 also equals to 10. Then I put my centimeter again here. Then what's the last answer? What is 10 plus 10? 10 plus 10. What do I get? When I add, I will get a 0 plus a 0, and the answer is 0. 2, 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the answer, this is my side work. So the answer here is 20, and I will underline my answer. Okay, from here, I have gotten my perimeter. Therefore, the distance around this figure is 20 centimeters. I have added all the distance around this figure. Let me make a repeat of what we have just studied. I have drawn this. This is my rectangle. One of the properties you have to know that if rectangle, two opposite sides, this side is opposite to this one, and these two sides are equal. If here it is 10, even here it will be 10. But by this time, I have 6 centimeters, which means also here is 6 what? Centimeters. Then to the next side, I have got the width. I'll say this side is called width, and this one is called length. So if the width is 4 centimeters, even this side, the width will also be 4 centimeters. Now, if they ask me, find the distance around the figure, I'm going to add all of these ones. How many sides do I have? I'm going to add all the 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. But here they have not put anything, but they have put for me these two equal signs, meaning that what is here is equal to here. So therefore, I'm adding 6 plus 4 plus another 6 here plus another 4 here. I've said that this side which is down, the long side is length and the wide side is width. Therefore, perimeter is given as length plus width plus length plus width. When we go on length 6, on width 4, on length 6, on width 4, and I add them together, then this centimeter here, I'm putting it outside. Side does not confuse me when I'm adding. Now I'm adding the two. 6 plus 4, automatically I know that one, that's 10. Then plus 6 plus 4, which is 10. Then I put my centimeter here. What's the last answer? 10 plus 10. The answer I get is 20. So I'll come here and I write 20 as my final answer. Then I underline my answer is 2 lines. That's the explanation I can give. Is there anybody who is ready to do example 2? Put up the hand. Okay, I saw already 3 people raising up the hand. 4, 5, 6. Oh, they are saying, teacher, for us, we are ready. Let me give the first chance to Kasinje Keith. Kasinje Keith, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, please, teacher.
Okay. The network is okay now? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Admin Otto, help me and give Kasinje Keith the co-host rights so that Keith can share the screen. Keith, I have my question. It is here as you are copying it down, such as that you have to do it. The question is there. Don't write the other words, just only draw the rectangle and put the sides there. So that you don't ask me, teacher, how many are there. Have you seen the question?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Are you writing it down? Just draw a rectangle only and put this, then we allow you to share the screen and you work out on your whiteboard. Please tell me when you are done.
You asked him a question.
Okay.
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, you can go on. Draw a rectangle there. Use your free hands, but in the book you must use a what? In the book you must use a ruler. What are you drawing, my boy? You draw it up because you not have space where to work out the working. So please draw it from up. Okay, up there, and do it. Okay, draw the line. I know your lines are not going to be straight, but it's okay. You can draw. I know. Okay, good. That's good. That's good. So you write the question there. We move on. Okay. You have not put my digits. I don't see my digits there. There was an 8 somewhere and somewhere. I think it was 8. It was 8 and 3. Okay, it was 8 and 3, I think, not 6, if I'm not mistaken. So you didn't copy, because I told you to copy the diagram and put it down in your book, meaning that you didn't copy it. It was 8 meters, not centimeters. 8 m. Okay. Was it 4? Oh, really? Okay. I think it was 3. Check, check, check. Remove that 4 and you make it 3. I think it was 3. Yes. So members, when I give you a chance, please take your time and first copy the question down. Okay. That's the time I want you, because I don't want us to do. Okay. You go and write some small 3 and M. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Now you can go on. No, mommy, you leave the screen like that. Okay. It's okay. Now you go on and write. It's okay, you leave that M, it's okay. Someone is complaining in the chat, you are slow. Please try to speed up. Okay. Good boy, good. So, okay, you go on. Mommy, can you rotate for us that screen so that you can have where to write the formula very well? Auto rotate it, yeah. You change the direction of the phone. Let it be in a rectangular format. Okay. I think now we have the space this side. You can write, begin from up there. Don't rub anything, just begin from
Okay,
writing up there. Yeah, you're writing very big ones, and I told you to write from up, you began on the way. Oh, how can I help you? Okay, you do this. The good thing we have known it is 3, it is 8 and 3. You rub off everything and you just write the calculation. Okay? Okay, you begin on perimeter equals length plus width plus length. Okay, and begin from the corner here so that you can have enough space. And we are still writing big ones. Try to reduce. Okay. Good. Good. Okay. Now you go on. That was 8. Oh, it is too big. Try to write a small one, a little bit small. Okay, I see the hands are very many. They're saying, teacher, teacher me, teacher pick me, Alice. Alice, how are you? Write small one, yeah. Good. It is 8. I don't know why you changed it to 6. It's okay. Okay. Keith,
Yes, please.
can you change where you have put 6 and put 8, and where you have put 4, you put 3? Because the length was 8, another one was 3. You are still writing the example I gave you. Then in place of 4, put 3. Okay. Okay. You go on and change the other. Oh, sorry. You go again and change the 6 you have remained there. Let the 6 be 8 and the 4 be 3. This way I've left 6 right there, 8. Okay. Hello, Kay. Okay. Right there, 8. Good.
Yes, please.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm following. Maybe my network is the one having issues. Okay. Now, you add together. What is 8 plus 3? Add the 3 together. What will you get? 8 and 3, what will you get?
I get 11.
You write there 11. You write it down here. No. Write it down here where you had started writing. Okay. What do you get? You also add, there's another 3 plus, there's another 8 plus 3. There's another 8 plus. Yes. What do you get also?
I get again 11.
Okay, you add there 11 plus 11. Now, what do you get when you add 11 plus 11? You add but
2.
Yes.
equals to
Mhm.
21.
No, it is 22. You add here. Do you see here on top of W here, you have written down there, right there, 11 plus 11 vertical when they are going down, and you get me the answer. Where you last wrote W, there is space there. You write there for me 11 plus 11 vertically when they are going down.
Yes.
I have said, where there is, do you see the space which is on top of 3?
Yes.
Write for me there 11 plus 11 when they are going down. Not there, not there, not there. Do you see where there is the word W? There is another W at the end. In that space that is there, there is another W there. The second one, there is space there. So right there, 11 and another 11 when they are going down. Put another one on top. Put another one on top. Add another 11. Not there. Oh my God. Okay. 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 Okay.
Yes, please.
Do you know what you call vertical addition? Adding vertically. Okay. Let me see here. Let me see. Okay, let me see if I can. Oh. Okay. Okay, Keith, let us help you here. 11 plus 11. People in the chat are saying the answer is 22. Put the answer as 22, then I will show you later. Okay. Okay, you can stop there. It's okay. Thank you very much. I will guide you where you need to know. Okay. When we talk about, my dear learners, when you talk about vertical addition, mute yourself, mute yourself, mute yourself, mute yourself. Okay. Okay. The reason why we are here to learn. So don't criticize someone that has been through. Mute yourself, okay? Mute yourself, okay? Thank you. Now I've said here I have 8 meters and here I have 3 meters. Write your formula. Perimeter equals length plus width plus length plus width. Now, where there is the length, this time, last time we had 6, but this time we have 8. Okay? Don't just use the same example now. Last time we had 6, this time we had 8. Last time we had centimeters, this time we have meters. Therefore, instead of length, we're going to write there 8 and width 3, length 8 and width 3. Then we go to step 2. We add these two together, 11 plus another 11. Now, you cannot add this one in your head and get the answer. We are going to do what you call vertical addition. I'm going to write it here in my side work. 11 plus 11. Have you seen it? Then, what's the answer? 1 plus 1, the answer is 2. 1 plus 1, the answer is 2. Therefore, the answer is 22 meters. And for you, I want to put these meters. Okay. Let me pick another person here. I have another example. Okay. Mr. Charles, help me and you give I see only 3 people are putting up the hand. So give the chance to Joanita. Give the chance to Joanita. Okay. Yes. Joan, unmute yourself. And your question is
Yes,
here.
teacher.
Your question is there. Are you seeing it?
Yes.
Copy it down. Copy it down so that you don't disturb like what Kate has done.
Yes.
You have finished?
Yes.
Okay, you can share your screen now.
Okay, teacher. Teacher, it is saying this will stop other screen sharing. Do you want to continue?
Yes, continue.
I share whiteboard.
Yeah, share whiteboard.
Mm.
Joanne?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, go ahead and tell me.
I am
Yeah,
tapping there, but not tapping.
when you tap in the whiteboard, what does it show you?
It does not. It's saying there is screen. I'm seeing only that.
You check on the word whiteboard. Share using the whiteboard. Eh?
Teacher, there is whiteboard.
Yeah, now it is sharing. It's okay. We are seeing your screen now. Go on and write. And we are using a laptop, so don't write in the middle. Write at the extreme end up so you can have many some space. Your pen is still in the middle. Put it to put in the corner that you have some. Okay, you can write there. It's okay. You draw your rectangle. Okay. Yes, I'm going to give a chance to another person. Okay. Okay. Joanne.
Yes,
Joanne?
teacher. Yes,
Do-
teacher.
Okay. Do you see there are two buttons on the tab on the pad where you rotate your cursor? Do you see those two buttons? Eh? Hmm?
Yes.
There are two buttons, one on the left, another one on the right. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. You press the one on the left.
Okay.
Have you pressed it?
Yes.
Now don't leave it. Don't remove your hand. Now move your pen as you are drawing the line. You have not pressed it even now. There are two buttons there. Oh, Joanne doesn't know. Joanne, I will teach you in the next lesson how to do that, okay? Let me give a chance to another
Yes.
person, but in the next lesson, I will teach you. Don't what? We are almost out of time, but I wanted to pick one part. At least you do for us the next question. Whom can I pick here? Let me give a chance to Abe. Abe?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. You share your screen. I think you have seen the question, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Let admin give me the course rights. Will pass and give that auto. Sorry, give Abe the course right. Share the screen. Okay, you have the course right now. You share your screen now and work out that number. Are you using a phone, a laptop? What are you using?
A laptop.
Oh, do you know how to do it, or you are also going? You are like Joanne.
I know.
You know. Now share your whiteboard. Okay. No, don't rub it. Go on, and we go. Giving a chance to another person. Okay.
No,
Write what?
teacher.
Okay, write down 8. Write down 8 and don't rub anything. Don't rub anything. Go back and pick the pencil or the pen. Okay, giving a chance to another one. You see? Also Abby has lost the chance today. Let me give a chance to another one. Let me give a chance to another one. Let me give a chance to
Teacher.
one. Yes.
Audrey has said she's not your
Yes.
friend.
He's not my friend. Audrey, you're not my friend. Let me give the last chance to Martha. Martha, are you on?
Yes, teacher.
What, are you using a laptop also? Yes, no?
I'm using a tablet.
Okay, share your screen now. Share your screen and we move on. Martha, okay. Okay, do it quick. Make sure, oh, that is too big. You're using it too big. Go and change the size and have a small one. Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay.
Here was 8. Here was
4. It was 4, right? 4. It was 4. Martha, why is drawing again? Why are you drawing again? Already you had drawn again. What? Okay. I'm going to give a chance to the last one now because you people today, I don't get you. You're playing with there. There it was 8. There it was 4. Go on.
Eight plus 4 plus 8 plus 4 equals
What is 8 plus 4?
Let me see.
Mhm.
12.
12, okay.
Plus 12.
Mhm.
I'll come here saying 12 plus
Mm.
12 plus
What is 2
1,
plus 2?
2, 4.
Okay, right there, 4. 1 plus 1.
It's 2. It's 24.
What's your answer?
It's 24.
Okay. Don't forget to put the units there. The units are centimeters. They must be there. Together.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Martha. Thank you, Martha, for that working. Due to interest of time, my dear learners, we can go how it moves on. So in this case, therefore, we shall have that, and we shall add 8 and 4, and the answer must be 12 plus another 12. So the 12 plus 12, you do it here, you get to 4 and 2, and the answer is 24, and you underline your answer. That's how simple it is, okay? I wanted to give a chance to anybody. I've checked on the timetable. We may not have another lesson ongoing, but let me pick. If you have something to say, maybe query or anything, please raise up your hand. These ones who are put apart from Alice. Alice is going to give us the closing prayer. Others, do you have anything to say? Raise up your hand. Yes, Mary Lina. Mary Lina.
Yes, teacher.
You have something to say?
Yes.
Go on.
When are we doing the exams?
We are doing the exams not very far from now. We shall tell you when we are doing exams. Count 2 weeks from now. Eh? Are you together?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Someone is asking when are we doing this? We shall do exams. Don't worry. Any other one with a hand? Want to ask something? If not there, thank you very much. Members, oh my dear learners, today, that's what we have looked at. I see we have very many, we have new ones who are joining us, the Nakai, Beyonce, and others. If you haven't registered, please register so that you can have your code, okay? Next week, without a code, you don't enter our class, okay? That's very simple. Apart from a few that we know. Sibyl, you have something to ask before I hear from Alice? Yes, Sibyl? Hello? Hello, Sibyl? Sibyl?
Yes, teacher.
Do you have something to ask?
Yes,
Go
teacher.
on.
Every time
Yes.
I'm writing,
Every time I'm
when I'm writing, you just change.
Oh, every time you are writing, I just change it. Now, after this work that we have done here, I know all of us, we have not copied the work. I'm going to put the work on Google Classroom. You can download this work later and write it at your free time. Together? Yes. Let your mother help you out to identify the work in Google Classroom for today's lesson. You download and write it. Okay. Let me hear lastly from Alice, who is going to give us the closing prayer. Yes, Alice? Alice Christine, unmute yourself, or I give a chance to another person.
Yes. Yes.
Will you pray for us as we end the lesson? Thank you.
Okay. Nothing. Done. Go away. Now what do you want? You're so
Alice,
done.
can you pray?
You can stop.
Okay, Alice is off. Let me give a chance to who? Joella. Joella, pray for us. Joella, okay. Roshan is also available. Roshan, pray for us on the English. Thank you. Yes, please.
Closing
Pray
prayer.
for us. Yeah.
Okay. Humble ourselves and Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ar-Rahman Maliki Yawmiddin. Siratal Mustaqim. Siratal Ladzina An'amta Alaihim. Ghayril Maghdubi Alaihim Waladdallin. Amen. Everybody protect yourself.
Okay. Since the prayer has been. Amen. Roshan. I say bye-bye to everybody. And I wish you a nice weekend.
Bye.